A 720p video. It's 1280 by 720 pixels. It runs at about 6.7 frames per second. And we originally had the strategy of downlinking the 2.4 second snippet. So there it goes. You can see it taking off. And if you look carefully, you can see it turning in flight. People have talked about that. And this is new. This just came down right before this press conference. Turning in flight and then coming back and landing. So I mentioned the frame rate. This is with our one of our wider angle settings on the camera, 34 millimeters. So it's a little more a contextual shot. We also shot a full zoomed version on the heli itself, where the heli flies out of the field of view. We have not downlinked those full frame images yet, so we're expecting those in the coming days.